Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make lava pudding. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, and half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't forget half a cup of milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of hot water ready. Now, let's create the delicious batter. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, combine the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Gently pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir until just combined, being careful not to overmix. A few small lumps are fine. It's time to bake your lava pudding. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the prepared batter into an 8 by 8-inch baking dish or individual ramekins. Now, carefully pour 1 cup of hot water directly over the top of the batter. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the edges are set and the center is still slightly jiggly. Your lava pudding is almost ready to enjoy. Let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes after baking. This allows the magical lava sauce to thicken beautifully at the bottom. Serve it warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of fresh whipped cream. It's a truly delightful and comforting chocolate treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.